I think we have the opportunity here to share this wonderful place with other people who want to come here and have a wonderful background to play with and be more creative in the work that they're doing. So even before lockdown, there was this strong push towards engagement with employees, putting people at the heart of businesses, and more research was showing that the more you did that, the more successful you are.
I think there's an appetite for people to want to get back together, to see different environments and different surrounds, and to share ideas and connect about things that are relevant to them.
Because I think it's very easy in an office environment for things to become very rehearsed and artificial. What this does, I think, is enables people to really break down barriers, to be very neutral in the way they can think, and probably be more authentic.
I think bringing people into this environment and bringing people home is very much part of the way that we are going to move forward with work. I think to be able to bring people into a completely different environment is refreshing for us all, and also very stimulating. You see things in a very different way.
A new kind of thinking is what we came up with in our discussion afterwards, is how do we think about leadership for the future, and how we can develop and deliver the most efficient businesses for our clients, our staff and ourselves going forward.
I think, Fiona's idea to create this centre of excellence, to start channeling people's thoughts into resources, what you can get, where you can find information to give yourself the idea of what best practice looks like, I think is hugely innovative and I think long overdue.
What I'm trying to do here is curate all this different content that is available, all this knowledge and expertise around the world, and bring it to people in a different way that's very accessible, that we do the work refining things, and for them they can pick and choose what are the sorts of things that are going to help their industry sector grow. How are they going to lead and manage their people better? And of course now, when economies and businesses are really fighting to grow again, develop their talent, it's really important that those people are nurtured.